Hey guys, it's about JohnyTechReview and hope you guys are doing well. It's the beginning of June and roughly about 1 month into me using this product here. This is called the RecPoint. So this is a device that attached to your phone or put it on the table. It records all of your notes in your meetings to voice and then transcribe and then summarize it in many different styles. So RecPoint reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to review this product. I see a few of these like Plaud. I've never used them, so this is actually my first journey into this product. So here it is, $129 currently. Came with 300 minutes and you can buy more, but right now into June 15, which is in about 2 weeks, you can get up to 3,000 minutes that lasts for 24 hours. So that is the current promotion. Again, thank you to RecPoint for sending me this unit for review. They didn't pay me, just give me a product and let me try it, and I'm really happy to say this is a really solid product. So first, let's take a look at the product itself. You can see here, this is how it looks. It's really thin, I think it's 0.14 inches. Really light also. So this is like aluminum alloy, it's pretty light. Has a texture up front here. Up front you have the record button, and then you also have the switch button here to do either on the table or put it on your phone. When you switch it to on the phone, I guess the microphone is a bit more sensitive and it's picking up vibration. In the back, pretty simple. There's a pin connector down here. It does come with a cable and you just charge it. So one charge will last you 40 hours. That's the approximate time. And I would say in that regard, they're pretty close to it. Another nice thing that they come with is a leather case. So you will slip this in here, very simple like this. And it just stays in there like that. A little bit hard to get out, but once it's in, it's max safe and you can put it on your phone. So I use a Galaxy Z Flip phone. Of course, it's pretty small and funny, but this is where it will attach on the back of my phone. If you have a normal phone, of course it's going to work, but for me, this is where it stays. And it's a decent magnet, at least for this one. So with the unit, you do have the option to buy different minutes for both transcription and translation. There is 150 different languages to translate to. And then for the minute, you can buy as many as you need, or you can sign up for a subscription, which is a monthly subscription that have a certain amount of minute. So both options are available, but you're not locked in. Again, initially you come with 300 minutes, and right now promotion up to 3,000 minutes, and it will last for 24 months. Right, syncing 1, 2, 3. Let me move this down here a little bit. All right, let's go. So the app is called RecPoint, and you launch it like this. And here in the app, up top here you have a device that's buying. Currently it found my device. It's on Bluetooth. It's always on standby. There's no power up button. There it is. And then of course these are different messages that I would do. So for example, if I were to open this one, you can see here, this is the recording. This was about 6 minutes long. I have the summary, which is here. You can see this was a quick recording for one of the earbuds that I was recording. You can see how it breaks this down pretty good. You can also go to translation and translate this to another language. I didn't do that here, but here are the choice for the language. You have a lot. I'm going to show you an example here. I'm going to have to blow some of these out because it's work related. But we have a customer meeting where we talk for roughly about 2.5 hours. And here is the summary. And this is a lot, right? And even give you a nice little mind map that you can export. As far as option Y for export, you can share the link, which gives someone access to all of these things, or you can do the transcription file, right? In different format here, text file, document, SRT, like subtitle. And then you have the summary export. You can do the same, different thing here. And then same thing here for audio exports. You can do WAV for MP3. I think it recorded in WAV because every time I do MP3, it always just takes some time to export it. There's a mind map and then the translation file, which is the same here. So those are your choices. As far as the app itself, you have some other option here for AI mastery. In order to use this, you actually have to have the premium subscription. If I go to my file here again, let me just pick one here that I was talking to again. This one, I go to AI mastery up here. I asked the company to give me a month subscription to test this out, but here you can chat with it and you can talk to it. It can also generate to-do list. Honestly, this was terrible. I tried this and it's not good. I'm gonna try it right here. As you can see, this is the information, and look, this is the to-do list. There's nothing to do about this discussion that I talk about. So it does not a great job of doing to-do lists. It also can do a podcast here for audio if you want that. You can also upload your own audio to record. And of course, if you go to me, I have the pro plan for this month. This is the minute I use for transcription this month versus last month. And then here is the minute I have for translation. So I have this as the bonus sign-on when you first sign up. They ask you to send them a link, WhatsApp message, and you do that and they will activate your account. And here are some of the other options you have here. It also can show you, for example, this is the default setup. You can try the different language for input. I'll leave it in auto. For the summary style, it's cool. Here are some of the options you can see. Speech, interview, lawyer. So it depends on what kind of meeting you have. And you can pick that at the time of summarize, by the way. It doesn't have to be here, but this is more of a default setting for that. And of course, for our AI model, you have here some of the options. You have GPT-5, Claude, and Gemini Flash. You have the options to pick one. I leave it in auto for the best result, so that's where I am. Alright guys, so what are my thoughts? I really like this unit. For the price, I think it's right, about $120. What I like about this unit is really well built. It comes with a nice accessory that attaches to your phone. And this is just simple. You just press a button and you start recording. And when you're done, press it again, hold down, right? That is it. In the app, the transfer is relatively simple. Just turn it on, it will show up the transfer, and you just have to click transfer. Bluetooth transfer is a little bit slow for anything longer than 5 minutes. I would say for a 30-minute video, Bluetooth could take up to 5 or 6 minutes, depends. But for me, I just switch to the Wi-Fi. Just be patient, sit down, wait, and it will switch over to the Wi-Fi, and that's very fast. The longest meeting I record on this is 2.5 hours, and it took roughly about 5 to 10 minutes to transcribe. I didn't pay attention to the exact timing. I hit transcribe, went somewhere else, and came back, and it was good. In terms of the transcription and the summarize, you have a lot of different options to pick from. I just left everything on auto, and it's really good. Compared to Copilot and compared to Gemini Note, I found that this is pretty accurate because a lot of our meetings, I test a few with permission from people. It's really clear when we talk about different subjects, and even when we jump around, it's able to summarize everything in the right place. So I think this product uses the LLM very appropriately, and everything is breaking down really nicely for you. Where in Copilot and some other software that we use at work sometimes, like Sally we're testing right now, it's kind of terrible. So it just depends on the setup. And in the app, you have a lot of different options you can change. So it depends on the type of meeting, a conversation, context, you can change those. So at the end, I would say, do I recommend this product? Yes, if you're looking for an AI note-taking recorders, this is a good one. I think the app is relatively simple to use. The description model, it's clear, not too much there for you to deal with. And of course, if you don't use the subscription model, you can always just do a recording and then put it on your computer and do a local AI or something like that to do the transcription yourself if you want that too. But the app make it very turnkey, simple to use. There's organization and everything in the app, and I think it's really solid. Again, thank you to RecPoint for sending me this unit out for review. If you guys have any questions, do feel free to leave it in the comment box down below. Please check in the description for the link to the product and currently with the promotion if you're interested. Again, up to you, but really solid product for me. Please help me by liking this video and give it a thumb up. Subscribe for more future content. Thank you.